annihilating rhythm.
Okay, roll the drums.
Mixing live from Panay Island, Philippines. This is another DjVicDonosoIII remix. Panay Mix DJs for the second time around successfully held the Battle of the DJs on January 15, 2017 at Santa Barbara, Iloilo. This is in cooperation with the Municipality of Santa Barbara, Iloilo, IS 106.7 FM Radyo Uguyon. This was an exciting and challenging event that showcased the talent of local DJs in Panay Island in live mixing and remix making, hosted by Santa Barbara Mix Club. The event was made possible through the active participation of the following certified club members: Santa Barbara Mix Club, Dumangas Mix Club, Iloilo Mix Lab, Pasay Mix Club, Leon Mix Club, Rojas Mix Club, Aklan Mix Club, Antique Mix Club, Marine Mix Club, Miagao Mix Club, Pingawan Mix Club, New Lucena Mix Club, Gimbal Mix Club, Zaraga Mix Club, Mambusaw Mix Club, Bato Mix Club, Dingli Mix Club, and Leganes Mix Club. Special thanks to our sponsors for their full support: Honorable Mayor Dennis Superficial MD, Honorable Mayor Ronaldo Goles of Dumangas Iloilo, Mrs. Vivian Caldina of Leon Iloilo, Mr. John Anthony Legada of Dumangas Iloilo, 103.9 Tumara Musica FM, White Prince and Company of Gaisano Mall Iloilo City, 96.3 Kiss FM Leon Iloilo, C-Power Audio System of Dumangas, Mr. Darrell Hayawan of Anilaw Iloilo, Honorable Ernesto Pablo Sumagaysay Jr., Honorable Timoteo Padilla, JLM Audio System of Dumangas, ACJ Disco Mobile of Gimbal Iloilo, G5 Mini Sound of Gimbal Iloilo, St. Hilary Sound Mobile of Dumangas, Jared Mini Sound of Barotac Nuevo Iloilo, Trans Algen Disco Mobile of Gimbal Iloilo, JMR Audio System of Leon Iloilo, Archel Mini Sound of Gimbal Iloilo, DDJ Sound Mobile of Tigbawan Iloilo, JCS Mini Sound of Dingle Iloilo, AJA Mechanics Disco Mobile of Waton Iloilo, Kurit Audio of Mina Iloilo, Dondon Audio Tech Mini Sound of Rojas City, Sean Mini Sound of Rojas City, Salt and Tears Disco Mobile of Leganes Iloilo, Sumagpao Funeral Homes, Mitchworks Pisonet and Video Care for Rent, Barangay Captain Nelly Cordero, Mr. Larry Diatras, Mr. and Mrs. Henaro Solza, M&3J Print Shop, Alfie Gonzaga 212i, Ray Mata Team Kupko, Ronnie Sumalde, Remdel Enterprises, Roland Vista, Shell Taxi and Shell Furniture, Sobihano Family, Gian Precious Cycle Hub, Civilian Attire Audio Classic, Paris Mini Sound System of Bingawan Iloilo, and Pinky Mini Sound of Cibalo Mantique. Congratulations to all the winners in the techno category: DJ Ralph, DJ Robinson, DJ Judy, and DJ John. In slow jam category, DJ Vincent, DJ Bongs, DJ Josh, DJ Jimsky, and DJ Vaughn. And in the live category, DJ John Plana, DJ Joshua, and DJ Razor. Thank you very much. We look forward for your cooperation and participation next time. Again, congratulations PMD for a job well done.